Let's go over an unboxing of the 𝗓𝗏𝗡 digital picture frame, the 15.6 inch. So grab the tabs here. Okay, so first, this little box, take out all the contents of it. So we have our little stand, which is really nice. We can of course hang this picture frame or just have it stand on a table, stand, wherever. And of course we have the power cord and a couple of screws. Okay, then we have the actual picture frame itself, the user manual. Take this out. And that is a really nice picture frame. See, we have the black one, nice feel to it. Look at the back. Of course, we have a speaker on it as well, and the power button right here. And of course, a place to have the stand as well as screws to mount the picture frame. And then on the sides here, we have the USB-C slot, USB-A slot, and an SD card slot as well. And the power cable does have the USB-C, so that's where the USB-C port comes in handy there. So first impressions here, really nice picture frame that looks good. Just comes with the bare essentials in the box. And this is a good size, the 15.6 inch. Some picture frames can be a little bit too small, and this is a good size. So you can see from a little bit longer distance, different pictures and videos that are coming up here. So that was the unboxing of the 𝗓𝗏𝗡𝗙𝗧𝗦 15.6 inch digital picture frame.